In this video, we are going to see how we can restore the backup of the company that we have just seen in the earlier videos. So let's learn about it. Let's say that you have already taken the backup, and if you want to restore the backup, it's very simple. From the main screen, you can see this data option right here at the top. Just click here and click on restore. Now, once we click on restore, it will ask you from the tele backups folder that which company backup do you want to restore. So we have taken two backups. Let's say I want to restore this one. I can just select that, hit enter and click on end of list and hit enter once again. Otherwise it will restore both of the companies of backups. So end of list and click on accept, hit enter again. And it says that the company data folder for 1data01 already exists. Do you want to override the company data? So if we want to override this with the new restored backup, we can click yes. And that happens a lot when, let's say that you have entered some of the customers or some of the ledgers even, and you have realized that you have imported or entered it in a wrong way. So you want to restore at an earlier point. So in that case, you might want to override the existing company data backup. So let's click yes, and it will restart just like that. And that's how you restore the backup in Teleprime. But just for taking this example again, let's restore the backup of Allied Traders. Click on end of list, click yes, overwrite yes, and now it is successfully restored. So for that to switch, right now this name of the company open is Empire Textiles. I just need to click on this company and click on shut company, shut the existing one, and yes. And now I can choose the other one which is restored just now. So that's how you can restore the backup file in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.